Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 239 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about finding balance in the middle of it all. Let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Notice how your breath rises and falls, always returning to your centered self. No matter what pulls at you, you can return here, steady, balanced, calm. Now, say to yourself, I return to balance. I am steady. And this moment grounds me. Stay here with your breath, allowing balance to fill your body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this calm steadiness with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.